I'll talk a little bit about how we approach branding and marketing overall in today's dynamic era of change. There's a lot going on around us, and of course, we need to keep up with the times. We need to address our consumers. We need to, of course, embrace new ways of thinking, new ways of even thinking about, how do we build brands and how do we execute different elements that we look at. And given this rapid pace of change, it's always easy to get distracted into various things and, do this and do that and do that and do that. And what's very, very important in today's world of brand building is to have that very clear direction of what do we want to really go behind? What does a brand mean? And what do we really want to go behind and make those choices so that you're able to really appeal to consumers, so that you're able to be really meaningful to consumers. And I'm very happy that, the theme of the entire summit is all about meaningful brands and meaningful growth and driving meaning. And that's the most important element because, when you don't have meaning, you don't really embrace something, you don't really gun for something, you don't really absorb something into your life. So let me take you a little bit through how we look at, brand building. And this is a picture of, brand building the Nestle way. And you would see it's a very dynamic kind of a place out there. It's a static picture though, but it's a very dynamic place out there. There are different rooms with different colors. There is a ground floor, there are people, there are, different things bustling and moving around. And therefore brands have to be nurtured in society, in a community, in our lives, in our real world. And that's very, very important, that it's not something which is out there. It has to be very much, with us in flesh and blood, in a human kind of environment. Of course, with technology, with other new things, embracing all the different elements. But what's very important is that it lives in a very, very thriving and a very, very dynamic space of people, interactions, and everything about human beings. So at the very ground or the base of this entire house, you would find the first room out there, the blue room. And that's about knowing your consumers deeply. You need to understand, who these consumers are, what do they really care about, what's their mindset, what are their behaviors, what are their attitudes, whether it's technological, whether it's human, whether it's, Dr. Batra spoke about, sleep and people and so on and so forth, and understand them, Really know your consumer very, very deeply. And the operating word out there is deeply. There's no rocket science. And I'm not going to tell you anything about rocket science. I'm going to tell you about certain fundamentals. And in today's ever-changing era, fundamentals are even more fundamental. So you need to really embrace that. And, there are certain things which are going to be more dynamic and will change. But that's very, very important. Understand their preferences, understand their needs and wants and everything else. And today you would see a lot of new age brands which keep challenging us and keep challenging each other and so on. Basically because they have sliced and diced the consumer in a certain way to understand, this is what the consumer is really looking for. And maybe they have a better proposition, they have a better brand which can tap into their hearts and minds, and therefore understanding that, and that's very, very fundamental. The second one out here is what we call the turquoise, space, where that's about the brand. And as you would know, in a building, the foundation is very, very important. So there are two elements of the foundation. One is the consumer, the second is the brand. And this is where, we talk about living our purpose. Brands need to have a purpose, and, all our key brands have a purpose behind, what's their role in life, what's their impact, what's their overall impact in people's lives. How do they really have a brand, the entire functional benefits, the emotional benefits, looking at the brand contribution to life and to people, looking at what's the impact you make, looking at the brand belief as well, and there are many brands today which talk to the new young generation, which are about a certain belief and a certain purpose and a certain view around things. And therefore, that's the second element that we really look at in terms of what brands are and living the purpose and really guided by the brand strategy and essence. Then in the middle of the house, you have got two different rooms. One is the yellowish, the mango color type of a room. And that's about, creating products which are sustainable, innovative, and which people love. And that's very important. In today's era, Dr. Batra talked about, how things are changing, how good for you, good for the planet, good for community, all this is kind of, coming alive together, and very, very important for the generations of today and also for the generations of the future to care about sustainability. And, in our own small way, we're taking steps in that direction. Of course, it's a whole ecosystem which needs to come alive and need together, and all of us are in it. It's not anybody's responsibility as an individual, but it's all our responsibility and responsibility of as an individual as well. And therefore, understanding really product market fit and innovation and sustainable products that people love is a very, very important part of that exercise, and we do that in many different ways. The fourth one, the red one, is about creating engaging brand experiences. And this is very important about, how do you bring your brand alive? In the yester eras, you could do it on television primarily. Today, there are about 100 different opportunities that you may have. You do have broadcast television, but you also do have, connected television, and you have OTT, and you have video in different forms, whether it's long or short or whatever other form. It's streaming, there's podcasting. There are, different commerce-led approaches. There is, trying to bring your brand alive on commerce platforms. How do you drive conversion? How do you drive, different things and performance, etc. And all of that is very, very key. And that's all about the brand experience. How do you really bring alive influencers if they are meaningful for your brand and what the narrative is and what you're going to talk about? And therefore, look at all the options out there to really bring alive your brand and really make an impact and have meaning on people's lives. Sometimes, brands go on a journey, but they don't really have a meaning in people's lives. They don't really know, what to look at. And that's very important for brands to really understand, what is it that I'm looking at and how do I bring that brand experience alive? Whether it's print or cinema or outdoor or whatever, and all the choices exist today. The choices are more fragmented. The choices are more immersive sometimes. There are many interactive choices. But really look at, how do you really bring the brand alive in that way? And at the very top is what we call plan and execute flawlessly. And in a country like India, which is so diverse, which is so big, which is such a large population, different audiences, different segments, you need to plan very, very strongly, and you need to execute flawlessly. Because that's where the rubber hits the road, that's where your brand experience comes alive, and every opportunity of a consumer to interact with a brand is an opportunity to experience a brand, and therefore every element is important, whether it's the product, the packaging, the communication, and everything else. So no rocket science out there. This is just a way of bringing alive, and in our, we are a 150-year-old company. Nestle was started, by Henri Nestle 150 years ago, and through the generation of leaders which have kind of, led the company, worked in the company, and so on and so forth, we are still very much there, and we look forward as an organization for the next 150 years, essentially because certain fundamentals need to be in place and certain ways of thinking need to be in place. And of course, there are adaptations as we go along to still drive meaning and purpose. Let me now try and bring alive a few different ways in which we have brought alive our brands, and I will touch on different dimensions. But first, look at the communication. Many of you would be familiar with brand Maggi. It touches, people's lives in different ways at different points in time, whether it's in a college hostel, whether it's, at some time in the evening, or whether it's late at night, or at any different point of time. People sort of, look for a packet of Maggi. But it's very important that, the brand really tries to live its purpose and tries to really find meaning in people's lives. So mothers are so important. Mothers have unconditional love and support for their kids. They have a very important dimension in all our families, and they're really the central figure. And it's important to recognize mothers, and we found no better way than Mother's Day to really recognize mothers and also encourage children to, sort of look at how they can connect better and connect well with their mothers. It's an ode to, mothers and what they live. So let me play this ad.
अरे मॉम कुछ नहीं चाहिए अब जाओ सो जाओ
अंशु क्या कर रहा है? मैगी? मेरे लिए?
सालों से देख रहा हूँ कि एग्जाम्स मेरे होते हैं, पर टेंशन में खाना आप ठीक से नहीं खाती। अच्छी है ना?
मैं भी सालों से देख रही हूँ। तो सिलेबस एक रात पहले ही खींचता है।
बरसों से आपने ये रिश्ते बनाए, तभी तो 2 मिनट में मुस्कान ला पाए।
Nestle, good food, good life.
It just takes 2 minutes to create a smile, and that's essentially about human connection. That's essentially about the mother-child relationship. Now let me bring the same proposition alive in a little different context, but still very, very relevant in our society that we live in.
बंटू बेटा 2 मिनट है।
आया दादी। मैगी? अरे दादी बताया तो था, पहले पानी उबालो, फिर ये और फिर ये।
यही तो याद नहीं आ रहा था। हम कुछ और तो नहीं भूल रहे?
क्या?
तेरे दीदी से पूछे?
दीदी?
और क्या, आप गाजर और मटर डाल लो।
यही तो, पर अभी भी कुछ भूल रहे हैं ना?
मम्मी से पूछते हैं, है ना दादी? मम्मी
2 मिनट है।
अपनों के साथ टाइम मिलता नहीं, बनाया जाता है।
बस तेरी कमी थी।
रिश्ते मांगे बस 2 मिनट।
From Nestle.
अपनों के साथ टाइम मिलता नहीं, बनाया जाता है, and it's very important for multi-generational connection to really be there in our lives. You know, we're all busy, we're doing 100 different things, but very important to have multi-generational connection. And there could be various, you know, food and beverage products or other products which would come in, but that's important to really understand how could you really immerse yourself in multi-generational connection. Now, of course, the youth today is very, very demanding and, you know, looking at different options. You know, sort of a good old Maggie with its classic taste, maybe, you know, kind of there, but they're looking at various other options. So here is another, you know, way in which the brand again comes alive with a slightly different proposition, with a slightly different product, talking in a little different way to connect with the Generation Z audience.
Maggi Korean Noodles launches Khushi Kapoor.
I'm launching Maggi Korean noodles.
Maggi Korean Noodles is launching you.
How can Maggi Korean? It's too new.
So are you?
ऐसा भी क्या है इसमें? कोरियन है, स्पाइसी ही तो है।
फायरी चिल्ली के साथ एक यूनिक स्मोकी फ्लेवर।
Like it?
I love it.
न्यू मैगी कोरियन नूडल्स, फायर भी डिजायर भी।
From Nestle.
So it just brings alive an example of how do you connect in an environment of today where there are young people looking at differentiation in a very, very important way, looking at, you know, a unique way in which they can look at something, and it's a way to sort of launch a brand, taking along a celebrity, but creating a distinctive way in which you can still create it. And this uniqueness is something that will help brands stand out. So therefore also think about, you know, what can you do which helps you stand out from the different options that consumers have today. And then on sustainability, and this is very important, everyone has a role to play in sustainability, and this is how, you know, we are also bringing in our own efforts on sustainability and trying to inject that thinking in people's minds to lead more sustainable lives.
भैया एक मैगी देना।
जी मैडम। हाँ मैडम, दुनिया मैगी के पीछे भागती है और आप इसके खाली पैकेट के पीछे भाग रही हो।
भाग तो आप रहे हो अपनी जिम्मेदारी से। खाली पैकेट को ब्लू बिन में डालना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। तभी तो इतने सालों से जितने मैगी के पैकेट्स हमने खरीदे, आपकी मैगी ने उतने खाली प्लास्टिक पैकेट्स के वजन के बराबर प्लास्टिक देश के कोने कोने से इकट्ठा करके ध्यान से डिस्पोज किए। सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, मैगी के पैकेट्स एक खास तरीके के प्लास्टिक से बनते हैं जिसको रिसाइकिल करना आसान है।
मैडम, मैगी एक बात बोले मैडम, मैगी के साथ साथ मैगी वालों की सोच भी बहुत अच्छी है।
थैंक यू। आप भी मैगी का साथ निभाइए। खाली मैगी पैक को ब्लू बिन में पहुंचाइए और दे दीजिए 2 मिनट एनवायरनमेंट के लिए।
So it talks about behavior and the impact that you can make and bringing in, and that's very important for us to take our own little steps and to be conscious about the green bin and the blue bin. You know, something that we know, but we're still very far in terms of behavior of really putting things in the right bin and ensuring that we have the right recycling way or the recycling mechanisms to get there. Of course, a lot needs to be done in that space, but I think we all need to take our own steps to move in that direction. Let me now, move to a slightly different audience, which is about the youth and the young people. And they're very ambitious. They want to make their dreams come true. And this is where, Nescafe partners with them and talks about, how you need to be in the game so that your dreams are really coming through, and you need to have that energy and momentum to bring it alive.
अरे अपने कॉलेज फॉर्म को साइन नहीं किया?
बेटा लेकिन मुंबई क्यों? यहाँ भी तो अच्छे कॉलेज में मिल रहा है सेम कोर्स, वो भी वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस।
डैड, आपको तो पता है ना अभी कितना कुछ करना है मुझे। डैड, ये मेरे लिए चलने का नहीं, दौड़ने का टाइम है।
तो आज से रोज 1 चम्मच नेस्कैफे, गर्म पानी, थोड़ा दूध और थोड़ी चीनी। अब जिस दौड़ में तुम उतरी हो उसमें फ्यूल तो लगेगा ना।
स्ट्रॉन्ग है।
इधर अच्छा बता कहाँ पे साइन करना है?
Good food, good life.
Badal life ki raftar, and that's what the young Indian ambition is all about. Change the pace of your life and make it move. Let your dreams and your aspirations come true. Again, maybe I'll skip this particular one, but which is about, finding new occasions, finding new moments, finding new ways and new formats in which products come alive. And all of this, can be done in long-form content, can be done in short-form content, can be done on digital, can be done on television. But what's very important is that you need to have that big idea. And the big idea is really what powers every brand. Yeah, if you have the big idea, which is consumer connected, which works through that entire ecosystem that I talked about, that's where you have, brands which can stand the test of time, which can adapt to the reality of today and tomorrow and get prepared and be more future-proof for tomorrow. Let me play this anyway and talk you through this.
Cold coffee?
Yeah, but I call it iced coffee.
Just make it right, bro. So smooth.
And it's iced.
Just right. The new Nescafe Iced Roast. The right coffee for iced coffee.
This is something that we have just launched. And on the sustainability journey, very important to also see how different brands could contribute to it. Take a look at this.
नेचर को यूं ही मदर नेचर नहीं कहते, क्योंकि माँ हो या मदर नेचर, हमारा ख्याल तो दोनों ही रखते हैं। तो हमारा भी फर्ज बनता है लौटाने का, थोड़ा प्यार, थोड़ी केयर दिखाने का। यूं ही कभी उनके लिए एक कप नेस्कैफे बनाने का, क्योंकि मदर हो या मदर नेचर, सबको अच्छा लगता है that you care. इसीलिए for years, Nescafe has been committed to educate the farmers about sustainable farming practices that enables better livelihood while caring for Mother Nature. Nescafe from Nestle.
We work with about 5,000 different farmers in the Coorg region of Karnataka, where coffee is grown in the country, and partner along with them so that we can create a more sustainable future for coffee. We all love cricket, and there are many brands, for example, which participate in cricket. Yeah, this is a space where a lot of audiences get there. We as Indians are very passionate about it. Let me show you a couple of examples where we have not been in the mainstream of cricket, but we have carved our own space in cricket in communicating about cricket, but in a differentiated way. In a way that, you could work not with the mighty, way in which you go behind cricket, but slightly differentiate yourself, but still linked with the brand, linked with what the brand stands about. And I'll show you two examples. One about Kit Kat, which is about a break. And the second one about Maggie on how we still get attached and associated with cricket.
Fingers crossed, the toss goes out. Fingers crossed, the rain god shows mercy. Fingers crossed for smashing big hits. Fingers crossed, we win with flying colors. Fingers crossed for the win. Fingers crossed with Kit Kat.
अपनी अपनी टीम का नाम जप रहे, पर मैगी आ रही तो सब भूल जा रहे। मजे ही मजे। मैं रेड, मैं ब्लू कर रहे, पर मैगी पे सब फिदा हो जा रहे। मजे ही मजे।
दूसरे की मैगी को भी अपना बना रहे। मैच में मैगी का मसाला ला रहे।
मजे ही मजे।
मैच, मैगी, मसाला।
People can have, different teams that they support during IPL. They may have their own favorite teams and so on. But when Maggie comes in, brings everybody together. You're not supporting different teams, even though you're friends. But you have something which is a unifying force, which is loved by everyone. So these are just, different ways in which brands still remain relevant today, while they have been brands with, legacy brands with a lot of equity. And it's very important and very important for us to all understand that brands have to really, invent and reinvent themselves and reimagine what they're all about to stay relevant in the brand building era of today. Thank you so much.